Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with another quick and easy Christmas DIY. This is going to be another placemat pillow video. I'm sure you've seen mine and tons of others here on YouTube, but what I wanted to do was actually show you something. I've been shopping my stash, of course, this week, trying to find little items that I can make accessories and stuff for the holidays to put out around my house. I've gotten all my basic decorations up, trees, lights, all that good stuff, garland, but I just wanted some little individual personalized little things to place in different spots in the house. Well, anywho, I found these placemats, these fabric placemats that I got from Target's Dollar Spot last year. No, actually it was year before last. And they were $3 a piece, and I knew exactly what I was going to do when I got them, and that was make pillows. Well, what I wanted to show you was the fact that I know a lot of people don't sew, and a lot of people make their fabric or their placemat pillows using glue guns. And I've had people actually say they don't like the hot glue because it's stiff when it dries. And I did mention in previous videos where I did these placemat pillows that you can get fabric glue sticks. So these are the fabric glue sticks that I use. These are by Eileen's or Aileen's, however you want to put it or call it. I got these from Joann Fabrics. You can find these online. They don't dry stiff. They're washable and all that good stuff. So you can use fabric glue sticks. So look for those. These particular ones are the regular size sticks that go into, you know, the, I guess, large size glue guns or whatever. These are not mini glue sticks. However, I'm pretty sure you can find mini glue sticks online or probably from Joann Fabrics. I've just had these, I want to say about a year. I stocked up. I have like 4 or 5 packs of these, but you can find fabric glue sticks. So that will solve the dilemma of stiff, you know, pillows or projects or whatever when you're using a glue gun. So keep that in mind. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So let's make this little pillow and then we will be done. So again, fabric glue sticks. This is by Eileen's or Aileen's. I'm not sure how you say that, but y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so I've already loaded up my glue gun. So I'm going to cut these tags off with these pillows. I probably should have ironed these, but honey, I'm not stressing. When it comes to this, oh, my stomach's growling, y'all. I got to get something to eat. I've been doing a bunch of DIYs today, and now it's lunchtime. I'm getting hungry. Okay. So, I got 2 because I wanted it to say the same thing on both sides. So, you know, if you can only find one, you can actually use another placemat or a coordinating color or something on the back side if you want. So, I'm just making sure when you flip the pillow over, they're going in the right direction. So, there we go. And they're never going to be exactly lined up or perfectly lined up, so you might as well get ready for that. What I'm gonna do, I think with this one, I'm just gonna seal up 3 sides and I'm gonna leave this side open. I'm not gonna well, then again, I don't know, I probably will. I was gonna say I was just gonna make this a pillowcase maybe, but I think I'm gonna go ahead on and just do a pillow and leave it at that, because I don't know, do I want to do a pillowcase? I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do a regular pillow because this is something that I will put up during the holidays, you know, until holiday time, should I say. So yeah, I think I will do that. I was just gonna do a regular old pillowcase. Well, I don't know. I think I'm going to do... By the time I get around to that side, I'll figure it out. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to start right here. And I've already put my glue gun in. I mean, my glue stick in the glue gun. And just add a generous amount. Oops. To this side. And I made a boo-boo. So I'm going to take these scissors and kind of smooth that out right there. And then close this up as best I can. There we go. All right, let me get this off my scissors before it dries. There we go. Okay. And yes, we do make boo-boos, but they can be corrected. Nobody's gonna see it anyway. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead on and move on down the line. Fix my glue stick so it goes in. Okay. And my glue gun is a dual temp. I would recommend getting a dual temp because you can use high or low temp glue sticks, whatever kind of glue sticks they may be in your glue gun. So, and they're not that expensive. I think I got that one for $6 from one of the craft stores. I think it was Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, they're not expensive. And that way, when you get glue sticks, if they're high temp glue sticks, low temp or dual temp, you don't have a problem. Because if you get a low temp glue gun, sometimes they won't melt the high temp glue sticks. So just keep that in mind. So alrighty, glue stick's not going down. There we go. Whoops. Okay, so like I said, the ends don't always match up, so you kind of have to work the fabric or the placemat to where you get an even match up with them. But it's fabric, so it gives. So there we go. And I didn't do the inside out with this. I like the seam on this one. So you can flip them inside out or put right sides together and then flip them out. But I just want to do it this way. Sort of like I did my glam pillows. Last year. Did I do that video last year? I can't remember. But anyway, I'll post a link so you can check it out. And I would take my time and do this, but I've made so many of these things, y'all. I'm just getting it done. But you would take your time, especially if this is your first time making one of these. So, yeah. And again, I'm working the fabric because it's not going to line up evenly. And if you have a little ooze, it's totally fine. This glue, especially this fabric glue, is going to dry clear. And you can just kind of clean that up if you want. I'm going to take this paper towel I have here and just clean that up really quick while it's still wet. Or once it dries, you can trim it off. Comes right off. Okay. Now, moving on around. You just want to make sure you get a good seal when it comes to this. There we go. And again, y'all, these are super easy to make. And once the holidays are over, keep an eye out for, you know, deals on these. You know, when they mark down the Christmas decor, you can make some for next year and have a nice little stash for your pillow making. Because any kind of decorative pillow is expensive nowadays. And if you can make them for next to nothing, you know, hey, go for it. because that's what I do, honey. I might find a couple pillows here and there that are like cheap, or I can use a coupon or something, but if I can make it, I'm definitely going to do that. Okay, so we're getting around to this side. How do I want a pillowcase? I think I'm going to go ahead and do just a regular pillow. I've made up my mind, so I'm going to go ahead and do this little seal and leave an opening to where I can stuff it. And then we will do that. Got a little glue on my finger. Just don't want any strings. There we go. Oops, grab that so I can stretch the fabric. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to get my little pillow stuffing, which I have over here. Clean my hand off. Oops, got a little glue. There we go. And I've been making stockings and everything, so I have all these fuzz balls and lint on my table here. Okay, so you can either buy the pillow stuffing from, you know, one of the fabric stores or craft stores, or you can use the stuffing from an old pillow, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just recycling, honey. Like I said, this year I am not buying anything when it comes to Christmas crafts. I'm just shopping my stash, honey, and I've been having a ball doing that. I found stuff I forgot I had. Oh. And making sure I work this down into the corners. And this way you can see if you've made any gaps, you know, missed anything, gaps and stuff like that. And I love this. This is so cute. And again, this is totally washable because those glue sticks or fabric, washable or machine safe. I can't talk to that. I think I'm hungry. That's what it is. So, I need some fuel. So, oh, this turned out really nice. And I'm just kind of tearing the stuffing from that old pillow so I can do it in nice little sections. It doesn't really matter if I didn't iron them because it's kind of filling out everything good. Okay, last part. There we go. Cool. Okay. So this is a nice little pillow. I can't wait to put this in my, well, I guess it'll go, you know what? I'm going to put it in one of my guest bedrooms. I'm switching pillows around. I have a lot of Christmas pillows. And so I'm just figuring out which ones will look right in what room. So anyway, we're going to close this up. I left the gap, and then we can smooth out everything once we seal it up. So I'm just going to run this last bead of glue around. And boom, there we are. So I'm going to work it close. Get those seams matched up. There we go. Got some blue strings that I will clean up as well. And there we go. Alright, get the blue strings off. Okay. Alright, and then I'm just gonna zhuzh. There we go. And we are done. So boom, there we are. We have another Christmas pillow. Again from Target's Dollar Spot, 2 placemats. I recycled the stuffing from an old pillow, and we used, well, I'm wasting them. These fabric glue sticks by Aleene's or Eileen's. And again, you can find fabric glue sticks. So y'all look in the glue gun section in Joann's or your craft stores, and you will find these, or online. So, yep, that's going to do it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like these as well, subscribe and hit that notification button. And until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye, guys.